toothbrush in your teeth? Say yes. Are you eating the toothpaste? Is it yummy? Yes. Brush your teeth. Hey, Victor. Hey, Victor. Victor, no, not mommy's makeup. Brush your teeth. There you go. Other side. This one. Yummy. Does it taste good? Look. What's it got on it? Has it got a train right there? Can you say thank you for my new toothbrush? No, you can't have mommy's makeup. Say thank you. Say thank you for my new toothbrush. I like it. Hey, Victor, can you say bye-bye? Victor, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Victor. Say bye-bye. Victor, say bye-bye to mommy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later.